Mazda's current EV portfolio is rather small. On a global scale, there's the MX-30, which is the brand's first production electric vehicle. There's also a zero-emissions crossover for the Chinese market, the CX-30, developed in cooperation with Mazda's joint venture with Chinese company Chang'an. 3 other EVs and 5 PHEVs will be unveiled by 2025, but, more importantly, Mazda is committed to achieving a carbon-neutral production around the world no later than the middle of the next decade. The recently announced plan by the Japanese automaker is part of a larger goal of making the entire Mazda supply chain carbon neutral by 2050. The company is focused on 3 key areas to realize its strategy: energy conservation, shift to renewable energies, and introduction of carbon neutral fuels for in-house transportation. Mazda will also continue to support its efforts toward making its supply chain greener in the process. As far as energy consumption and conservation are concerned, the manufacturer explains it is mostly focused on the energy balance during vehicle production where large amounts of CO2 are emitted. Mazda will implement manufacturing processes that require less energy, including low-temperature curing paints, and will improve the energy conversion efficiency by optimizing processing technologies. The firm will also consider different forms of low or carbon-free power generation. Interestingly, Mazda will partner with the Hiroshima Council for Automotive Industry Academia government collaboration to promote and implement the use of carbon-neutral fuels for its in-house transportation tasks. Last but not least, the company will use its experience from factories in Japan as a basis to implement the optimal approach for production plants around the world.